up, Brock? How we doing?
Pretty good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What are we doing out here today, man?
Skydiving in that awesome looking plane right there.
Have you lost your mind, man?
Yeah.
I guess a little bit at least, huh?
21st birthday, yeah.
Today?
Yeah.
Awesome. Happy birthday, man.
Thank you.
So we get to throw you out of a plane for your birthday, huh?
That's right. That's right.
Rock and roll, brother. What do you want to say to the folks back at home before we go?
Chances are I'll survive.
You're absolutely right. Chances are you will survive. Let's go have fun, man.
Yeah, man, I think I'll be back. Awesome. It was awesome, man. It was awesome. I will definitely be back. Yeah, I did.
Yeah, dude. Flying the parachute now, you like this part?
Right, yeah, that's my favorite part.
Would you recommend this experience to anybody?
Oh,
Everybody?
yeah, everybody.
Everybody's gotta try it once, right? you on the ground. You ready to land this thing?
That's right. Sure.
All right, good luck. I trust you.
Oh, great.
Heads up, heads up. Nice. That's the birthday landing right there, brother.
That's it.
It's your birthday?
What's up?
21st.
Go ahead and ditch those goggles, man. Tell me about that skydive.
That was probably one of the best experiences I've had. It's not that bad. I'll be back. He said something about
Great job, man.
a solo thing.
Heck yeah, man. Give it up for Jimmy, man.
Yeah, man.
Oh, yeah, man. You did all the work.
High five right here.
Birthday, brother.
Thanks, man.
Well done, man. Thanks so much for coming to
Thanks,
Skydive,
man.
Alabama. Happy birthday.